Good morning. Budi Raharjo from Padepokan Budi Raharjo is here. Let's start with ngopi dulu. Ngopi dulu in bahasa Indonesia means coffee first. Let's do coffee before other things, before discussing tough or very difficult topics. Uh, Many people now are very kind of intrigued by ChatGPT and other AI tools. So people are saying that maybe we should learn how to prompt. What do you mean by prompt? Prompt means we give commands to all these AI tools, be that ChatGPT, Gemini, whatever, Bing, Copilot, what else? Other things. And basically, all these AI tools, they're basically command line oriented. We have to type in something. That's why we have to prompt. Now, this is, in my opinion, this is kind of this reminds me of my old days with DOS or Unix in shell, meaning you have to type in the commands. Remember, for those who are old, old. I don't want to say the word old, but it is a fact. I am old. Now, for those people who are old or older, or maybe a bit younger than me, we still remember those days with MS DOS, right? The C prompt. We type in something, dir as in directory to see the directory, cd change the directory, and then run something, and then del as in delete file name, dir star asterisk dot asterisk, yeah, and so on. The same thing if you are in Unix, you type in ls whatever, ls star tulis ls minus l space star or whatever, right? So those are still command line. Why? Because the technology was just command line at that time. And then the whole world invented GUI, graphical user interface, Xerox, Apple, Microsoft, and then the whole thing changed from command line to graphical user interface, GUI. So, and then there was CLI, and then there was GUI. Actually, before GUI, there's a menu base. But anyway, CLI and then GUI. So I don't think. Okay, what's next after GUI? Now the problem with prompting is now you have to remember the command. I don't know the command to all those tools, like what prompt should I enter? If it's Discord oriented, maybe like Midjourney or DALL-E or whatever, I have to go to Discord and then use Discord command to do that. I cannot memorize. I can't memorize those commands. I don't even understand those commands. I am a techie, meaning I don't mind typing commands, but it's just not natural in my opinion. So to access those AI tools, we can use GUI, maybe, but in my opinion, we don't use GUI because it's going to be difficult. I don't have my smartwatch here, because if I want to type something on my smartwatch, I cannot do that because it's so small. My fingers are all thumbs. I cannot just, I cannot press things. Even CLI cannot do it. So the next best thing, or the next thing, in my opinion, is voice command. So I think we should develop tools to get interface, to create an interface between all these AI commands and voice command. So, for example, I want to create an image, right? Image. I can say, I want to create an image of a monkey covering his ears, or covering his ear and mouth, something like that, right? That's what I have in mind, right? I want to create a picture of a monkey doing that. Now I can just say it. Hey, create a picture of a monkey. Uh, Maybe it's not. Maybe I should have also video, yeah, instead of the interface is video instead of voice. But I cannot envision video right now with smartwatch. In the future, it will, because you can create a very small camera in it, right? I have this ESP cam with small camera. It's possible. It's just possible. But now it's just the voice command. Okay, I want to create an image of a monkey covering his ear and mouth. Okay, and then it will give me, okay, this is what you want. No, 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 I want to have a modification. Let's add glasses. But that's not the monkey, sir, that is you. Yeah, yeah, that's what I want. Okay, I'll create a version, a monkey version of you, sir. Okay. Can I take a picture of you? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Which camera do you want me to use? The one in front, like this webcam, or the one in my MacBook, or the one in your cell phone? Oh, okay. Let's capture it from the one in front of me. Oh, okay. So that would be the webcam, sir. Yes. And don't call me sir. Call me Booty. Yes, Booty. Okay. So it will create a. So voice command is important to me. So the next step should be a voice command. So there should be another interface or another kind of AI tools to interpret what I want, and then this AI tool has an interface to all those generative AI tools or AI engine. So this itself is probably an AI based, because it has to understand my behavior, but that's tailored to my behavior. So we have to have some kind of that, some kind of tool in front of this generative AI. But that's my opinion. Technology wise, it's possible these days, because computation wise, it's possible. I just have not seen people are doing this. But I think the future should be that way. So we should not teach students or children to do prompting just straight right away from voice command. Just like we don't have to teach children how to do command line interface, CLI. Just use UI or whatever user interface available today. Okay, but that's just my opinion. In terms of CLI or command line interface, I don't really have a problem actually, because even though I'm using like a MacBook with Mac OS, I'm still using command line. I open terminal or iTerm, and then I still use the Unix commands because I got used to it. And I still use VI as my text editor, believe it or not. Yeah, I'm that ancient. Maybe my neighbor is dinosaur. Even though I'm using VS Code, my key binding is still VI. So yeah, I don't have problems with command line interface, but I think in the future we should skip that one and we teach the next generation just the next user interface. That is my point. Okay, I have to finish my coffee. Have a great day. Stay safe, stay healthy. Morning. Bye.